just let's look towards what are the major changes in India. So, the first is the British introduced new system of administration, law, and revenue collection in India. So, what happened when the British government was there in India? They have systematized everything like the administration, laws, and the way of collecting the revenue. So the main purpose of doing this thing was to control the Indian market and to take away the money or the wealth from India. Then the next one is your India was a major exporter of cotton and silk textile. Imperialism led to the destruction of the local industry. So what happened in the till the 18th century, India was the biggest or the major exporter. It means they were sending the cottons and silk textiles out of the country. But due to this imperialism, it had destructed all the local and the small industries in India, and the indigenous textile industry of India was destroyed, and India became an importer of the British clothes. Then the next one is your British rule established capitalism. So the British government has established capitalism according to the imperial power, as they were only making profit from India. So they have totally exploited the peasants, the artisans, and the craftsmen, and ruined all the handicraft industries or the small scale industries of India. Then the next one is your agriculture too was organized to suit the requirements of Britain, as only cash crops were encouraged to be grown. So agricultural practices were also organized by the British government, as they only want cash crops like indigo, and they only encourage the Indian peasants or farmers to produce cash crops only. Then the next one is the British established 4 presidency cities: Bombay, Calcutta, Madras, and Delhi. So the British government also established 4 main presidency cities, that were the Bombay, Calcutta, Madras, and Delhi.